going now. This is a folding travel mirror with magnification panels and light. It's a smart way to have that mirror that we all want. It's like having a personal vanity with all of your favorite mirrors in one unit. So you've got 3 magnification panels, 3 types of lighting. So you can have your warm white, your natural light, your warm, your white and your natural light. And then it's all in this one great mirror. So it's brilliant if you're traveling. It's great if maybe you've downsized and you don't have that much space, or if you're doing your makeup at work or anywhere else that you need to have a mirror that you don't have to worry about having the space for one that's on a stand as well as the one that's in your compact. It's all in one unit. It's from Sunter. The item number is V83297. Sorry, V83297. And let me show you the colors. So we have it in the pink. And you can see how bright this is just from looking at it here. Then we also have the blue, which we are calling chambray. Okay, we only have 110 in that chambray. And then we also have it in bright white. Joining us, bringing us home solutions is Emily Scott. Hi, Emily.
Hi, Sam. It's so nice to be with you. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much for joining us. This feels like a brilliant item. So I'd love you to tell us a little bit about Sunter.
Yeah, absolutely. Sunter is a company that didn't understand why a great quality mirror should have to break the bank. They've gotten so expensive. So we put this together. It is our travel model. So it's portable, it's packable. It's got that nice hard case, kind of the size of an iPad almost. But what you're getting is great optical quality. You have 3 different magnifications, a 1, a 2, and a 3. And we really feel that these are the sweet spots. But then you also have different temperatures of light. And this is so important when you have a skincare routine or you wear color cosmetics. And in addition to that, it's smart dimming. So this will take it all the way down to a low light, all the way down to a up to a super bright light. But I love the fact that it's rechargeable. So you charge it up and now you're untethered, no batteries. You don't have to be plugged in. You can use it plugged in. But what I love is now you can do your skincare routine, your makeup or plucking or whatever it is you're doing without leaning over the sink, which can really get uncomfortable if you're there for a couple minutes. You know, you can put this on the vanity and use it in the comfort wherever you're comfortable.
Yeah, it is brilliant. I'm just going to pick it up and have a go with one of these because, as you say, because you've got that 3 times magnification, I think we've all had that experience where you pick up a mirror and then you're like, oh no, wait, I need to go in more, you know, whether it's for an errant hair or doing your brows or whatever it is. But with this, you can just quickly, oh no, I need to see it bigger, and it's right there.
Yeah, it really is right there. And what we have are the 3 temperatures of light. So I'm going to turn the first one on. This is a warm light. So if you're going out at night to a restaurant, you want to do your makeup, your color cosmetics as you would be seen outside at night. When you hit it a second time, you're going to go to the daylight. That's your everyday coming and going. And when you hit it a third time, you will see that this light on the third one seems kind of abrasive and bright. But that's what you get in commercial spaces like office spaces. You know, if you're out in retail or something like that, you might have to tone down your color cosmetics. But you also get the 1 times magnification. And this is really great to have nice and long. Because when you need to see the back of your hair, you need to do a little tease up. You want to see the back of the hair. So you look in your vanity. You want that nice long 1 time magnification there. Then you've got your 2 time magnification. And down here, we think this 3 time magnification is really the sweet spot because it'll give you the magnification, but you can see your whole face. It's not so blown out that you're limited to just an eye or a lip there.
Yeah, that's such a good call out, Emily, because sometimes, like, I've got one of those small mirrors that's the 10 times magnification, but it's like a circus mirror. You can't really well, you're seeing something so small that it's hard to get any context, whereas with this, every single one I can see, you know, I can see my whole face in it, which is just amazing.
It really is amazing. And I love the fact that it's portable and packable. It's got this hard exterior out here. You do get the charging cable as well as the cube. And, you know, you can use it plugged in. But what I love is everybody's got a skincare routine. You know, young girls are doing skincare. That's where you charge it right there. Young girls are doing skincare. People my age are doing skincare. We all are. And you need to see up close. So you need that combination of the really great light with the really great magnification.
Yes, and it really does give you everything. You know, I mean, these are great examples of how we use these mirrors. It could be, and we've all been there, where you're trying to put that necklace on. You need the bracelet, buddy. But but you can't quite see. You can use it for that. Whether you're doing your contact lenses, mascara. This is a great way to be able to do all of the things where you need a mirror, but you just have one tool to do it all. V83297. That's your item number. It is the folding mirror with magnification, and remember, you're getting those 3 different lights, so your natural, your warm, and your daylight. Emily, thank you so much for joining us. We will see you next time.
Happy Saturday night, Sam.
Yes,
Thank you.
happy Saturday night. And you're watching Easy Solutions here on QVC too. We've got so many great ideas